Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect a Visual Studio Code to Chrome using a live server. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is to launch your Visual Studio Code on your computer. Then on the left corner, select or click the settings icon, and here click the settings again from the drop-down menu. Then in the settings, search bar, just type the live server and this will show the live server extension settings. And to set the custom browser, find the live server and go to settings and click the custom browser. Click on the drop down and select the Chrome from the list. If the Chrome doesn't appear, you may need to manually type Chrome. Then, to start the live server, go back to your code and go on live. Your project will be now open automatically in Google Chrome. And that's it. Now Visual Studio Code will always open for your live server in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.